Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY tea rinse that will help with hair growth. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 2 tablespoons of hops flowers. Hops flowers contain essential vitamins and oils that help to open up the tiny pores of the scalp and reduce hair loss. The oils found in this herb help to curb the dead skin on the scalp and remove dandruff, which blocks the pores of the scalp. Also, hops contain silica, which helps to strengthen hair follicles and aids in hair growth. And a fun fact about hops is that it is one of the main ingredients that helps to make beer. And beer is sometimes used as a hair rinse because it gives hair a natural shine and helps to reduce dandruff as well as helps to reduce hair loss. So now I'm just going to place the herb into a mason jar, and I'm going to also place 1 cup of hot water into the mason jar as well. You can allow this tea to steep for about 15 minutes, or you can wait for the tea to completely cool down. So after about 15 minutes, this is what the tea looks like. So now I'm just going to go ahead and strain it. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of rosewater. Rosewater helps to replenish lost moisture and also helps your hair to be more manageable and smoother, shinier, and healthier. Also, rosewater helps to reduce dandruff and helps stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, therefore promoting hair growth. So you want to stir everything up to make sure everything is nicely blended together. And then I'm just going to place the tea rinse into a spray bottle for easier application. Now, when it comes to storage, you want to place it into the refrigerator when not in use, and it should last about 2 to 4 weeks. And if you want it to last longer, you can place it into the freezer and it should last about 3 to 6 months. So when using this as a hair rinse, you want to apply this all over your hair and scalp after you shampooed your hair because you want to make sure that your scalp is clean. Once you've sprayed it all over your hair and scalp, you're just going to leave it on your hair for about 30 minutes and then you're going to rinse it out, and then you're going to follow up with your favorite deep conditioner. So you can do this method whenever it's your wash day. So whether you wash your hair once a week or every 2 weeks, so it'll just be up to you. So that's how often you should use the rinse, whenever it's your wash day. Also, you can use this spray as a leave-in. If you want to use it as a leave-in, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. All you have to do is just apply it on your scalp and also all over your hair from root to ends, and then make sure you follow up with your favorite hair oil or hair butter or cream so that way you can seal in the moisture. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.